Unraveling Mill About, a phrase in motion. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, mill about. Have you heard it before? It's a phrase that paints a picture with words, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your everyday conversations. What does it mean to mill about? When we use this phrase, we're describing a situation where a group of people move around in a seemingly aimless or random manner within a certain area. It's not just movement for the sake of movement. There's often a sense of waiting or killing time without a specific direction or purpose. Imagine a group of friends at a concert before the music starts. They're not just standing still. They're wandering around, chatting, and maybe checking out the merchandise. They're milling about. Interestingly, mill about has a literal connection to the action of a mill. Think of a windmill or a watermill's blades moving around and around. In the past, to mill referred to the grinding of grain. Over time, it took on a broader meaning, describing any circular or repetitive motion. When people mill about, they move in a way that can remind us of the circular, grinding motion of a mill. Now, let's see how to use mill about in sentences. When I arrived early at the party, people were just milling about in the garden. After the movie ended, we milled about in the lobby, discussing the plot. The tourists were milling about the museum, waiting for the guide to start the tour. Notice how in each example, mill about conveys a sense of casual movement without a specific goal. There are other phrases you can use with a similar meaning. For instance, wander around, mingle, roam, loiter. Each of these can be used in the right context to convey the idea of moving without a clear direction or purpose. And there we have it. You now know what it means to mill about and how to use it in your conversations. It's a phrase that captures the essence of movement without purpose, a common experience we all share at times. Practice using mill about in your sentences and you'll soon be moving, figuratively speaking, in the right circles of English speakers. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!